To edit a theme, start by opening a web browser and typing in the relevant website. From the search results, click on the official website, which should be one of the first options. This will take you to a page with a Get Started button, which you should click to begin the process. You will then be prompted to choose between a free or paid version of the platform to download on your device. Follow the installation instructions provided on the website to set up your store. Once installed, you will see a dashboard with various sections, including Sell, Improve, and Configure. To access the theme editing features, scroll down and click on the Improve tab. Then select Design from the options, which include modules, shipping, payment, international, and marketing. Within the Design section, you will find options for Theme and Logo, Theme Catalog, Email Theme, Pages, Positions, Image Settings, and Link List. Click on Theme and Logo to begin editing your theme. From here, you can access your current theme, choose different layouts, and select new themes. You can also explore advanced customization options, including adaptation, languages, and logos.